Hello guys, welcome to Math Support. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to convert units very easily. So in this session, we'll discuss about units of length, volume and area. Based on this one sentence, that is larger will be larger and smaller will be smaller. So let's start with the units of length. We'll discuss about units of regular usage. So first we'll write units from meter, then decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now on the left side, that is decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So this is the units of regular uses. Now keep in mind there is a gap of 10 for every relation. So just we are writing 10 in every gap. So for one gap we'll take 10 and for two gaps we'll take 100. So let's start with one example. Suppose you want to convert 75 hectometer into millimeter. Now first we'll find relation how many gaps are there. So hectometer is here and millimeter is here. So there is a gap of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means one gap is of 10 and there is a 5 gap. So relation is 10 raised to 5. Now we need to multiply or divide this 10 raised to 5 to 75. So that decision will be taken from this sentence, that is larger will be larger and smaller will be smaller. So now in hectometer and millimeter, hectometer is larger. So as discussed, larger number will be more larger. So we'll multiply 75 with this. So 75 into 10 raised to 5. So if larger number there, so we'll multiply whatever relation we are having. And if smaller number is there, then we'll divide whatever relation we are having. Suppose you want to convert 25 decameter into centimeter. So now first find relation. So this is decameter and this is centimeter. So there is a gap of 1, 2 and 3. So relation is 10 raised to 3. Now we need to find whether we'll divide or multiply 10 raised to 3. So decameter is larger unit. So larger will be larger. So we are multiplying this relation with the 25. So 25 decameter is equal to 25 into 10 raised to 3 centimeter. Similarly, suppose you want to convert 100 centimeter into kilometer. So first find relation. Centimeter is here and kilometer is here. So there is a gap of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So relation is 10 raised to 5. Now find out, we'll multiply or divide this number. So centimeter and kilometer. Centimeter is smaller unit. So we'll divide this unit because smaller will be smaller. So we'll divide this number 100 by 10 raised to 5. So it's a 10 raised to 2 divided by 10 raised to 5. So that is 10 raised to minus 3. So that is a very simple if you are following this sentence. That's all. Now units of area. Now change is that here every gap of 100, because in previous case there was a single form, now there is a double form. So we are just squaring 10, so it's a 100. Now hectometer square, that is a square hectometer, is also known as hectare. That is the one thing you should keep in mind. Now suppose you want to convert 20 square meter into square millimeter. Now square meter is here and square millimeter is here. So there is a gap of 3. So simply one gap is of 100 and 3 gaps. So it's a simply 10 raised to 6. Now in square meter and square millimeter, this is a larger number. So larger will be larger. So we are just multiplying this number with 10 raised to 6. Similarly, if you want to find 75 hectare into square decameter. So over here hectare is here and decameter is here, so there is a gap of 3. So similarly, one gap of 100, there are 3 gaps, so it's a 10 raised to C. So in hectare and decameter square, hectare is the larger unit, so we are just multiplying this number with 10 raised to 6. So this is the same procedure. Now for the volume, as discussed, for the length there is a gap of 10, for area there is a gap of 100, and for volume definitely there is a gap of 1000. So if you are finding 2 gaps, then it will be 10 raised to 6 relation, and for the 3 gaps there will be relation of 10 raised to 9. So procedure is as for length and area there is no change in procedure, so you can find conversion in volume also. So this is very simple to find or convert any units. That's all.